Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey, and today I'm here to tell you a very important thing. Sometimes, after coming back from school or college, students do not study at home. They feel that whatever they are learning in different lectures which they are attending in their college, that is sufficient to get them good marks in examination. But this is a myth, ladies and gentlemen. If you see the sequence of any college or any school, you will find that everything happens according to a timetable. In a professional college, students study by the mode of timetable. For 1 hour, there will be a lecture of a professor. After 1 hour, some other professor will come in your class and he or she is going to teach you some other subject. Similarly, the third lecture and the fourth lecture, and then there is lunch time, and then fifth lecture, sixth lecture. This is the sequence of learning and growing in a professional college. Because it is very important that you have to study all your subjects. That's why your schedule is divided according to a timetable. For 1 hour, one particular teacher will teach. For next 1 hour, another teacher will come in your class. And for the next 1 hour, another teacher will come in your class. And this is the sequence in any professional college, which is very great, very systematic. And it is necessary because you have to study all your subjects thoroughly. That's why every day you must attend all the lectures according to your syllabus. But do you think that just 1 hour learning is sufficient to grab the entire concept of the subject? No, ladies and gentlemen. In 1 hour lecture, the teacher teaches you something and then you clarify your doubts related to whatever you have heard. That's all. But in order to become a successful professional, you need a thorough study. You must do a thorough study. You must learn your subjects sincerely. You must study for a longer period of time. This is the crux of life, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to become successful, if you want to become a good scorer in final examination, you must study consistently for long hours. Without study of long hours, you cannot score good marks in examination. This is the fact of life. But students feel that whatever they are learning in their professional college, that is sufficient. Returning back home, they do not study. They never pick up their books. This is very bad, ladies and gentlemen. If this is the pattern which students are following nowadays, they will never score good marks in examination. They will never score good marks in examinations. And as far as campus placement or any job opportunity is concerned, organizations also have certain restrictions related to percentage. So if students are not able to gain good percentage in the final year, they will not be allowed to sit in the interview of great organizations. So they are going to lose golden opportunities in their life. That's why learning daily is very important. Whatever you are learning on a daily basis in your classroom, returning back home, take some rest, enjoy for a while, but study for 3 to 4 hours. Even more if you are able to do so. Even more. Spend most of your time in reading books, in learning. Learn from offline resources. Learn from online resources. If there is some mathematical calculation kind of thing, keep practicing on a daily basis. Every day. Try to make yourself perfect in whatever you are studying in your professional colleges, which is only possible if you are giving time to your studies at your home. If you are not learning at your home, if you are not studying at your home, this is not going to give you great marks in final examination. And as I said, in most of the great organizations, they have a criteria of percentage. If you do not meet that criteria, you will not be allowed to sit in the interview of those organizations. So you are going to lose golden opportunities which are available in corporate market just because of less marks, just because of scoring less. You are not allowed to sit in the interview of a particular organization. And if you are not learning regularly, the concept will not be clear in your mind. You will automatically qualify the final examination if you know the concepts thoroughly. This is the only criteria of becoming successful in examination. If you know the concepts thoroughly, of course, you can write those concepts in your own words in the final examination. But if you have no idea, you are studying just one day prior to the actual date of the interview or the examination, how can you qualify the examination? If you are studying just 2 or 3 days prior to the actual date of examination, you will never be able to qualify that examination. In order to qualify the examination with good marks, with good percentage, it is necessary that you must study your subjects on a daily basis. Otherwise, you cannot score good marks and you cannot get jobs in great organization. This is the fact of life, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey Trainer B.Tech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.